Welcome to Stellar 1 Phase 1. The project is a low density project. All builders are allowed to buy purchasable FAR from the authority to increase the FAR by approximately 30%. We haven't. Therefore, you can see while almost all projects in Greater Noida are approximately 25 stories, ours is only 15 stories. This means more light and ventilation in the premises and less people, therefore less crowding and better hygiene inside the society. We have made two-layered security access in the project. The main gate, we have installed the MyGate app where only authorized people will be allowed to enter. Even after entry, the visitor will have to take second approval from the tower security guard before going up to the apartment, because we have connected the security desk through intercom with every apartment. All workers at the site have been trained and you will appreciate the quality of workmanship. While many builders use decent quality products, the problem is in workmanship. We have used skill development training videos to teach the workers on proper process and multiple quality checks. Observe the alignment of the columns at this tilt level. We will show more such examples inside the apartment. Notice the 8 feet height doors at the entrance for a feeling of grandeur. Inside the apartment, notice the quality of finishing. Kajaria tiles have been used, but also observe the alignment of the tiles and the grouting of 2 mm, which reduces the issue of unlevel flooring. Also observe that we have used very high quality Anchor Panasonic switches and sockets which come with 10 years warranty. Now notice that all the switch sockets have been installed at the same eye level because we use laser levels to mark all points in the room. Now look at the distribution box. We have used Indo-Asian MCBs and done proper distribution of the wiring inside the flat such that all power circuits are separate from light fan circuits. We have used fire retardant wires that reduce the smoke in case of a short circuit. Also look at the proper installation of the wires, each of which can be identified easily in case of a fault. We have also done earth leakage testing of every single socket so that there are no short circuits. Please also notice that infrastructure has been created for high-speed internet connection so that you can surf the internet at very high speed. In fact, the entire project has fiber optic cable installed so you can get extremely high internet speed to work from home, but more importantly to watch Netflix from home. Observe that in each toilet we have shafts which allow easy access to shut off the water supply to the toilet, and the plumber can repair any leakage easily from inside your apartment. Notice the tile drop in the toilet shower area and the strong slope in the tiles so water doesn't spill all over the toilet. Now observe the kitchen. We have a double counter so that you can keep your wet utensils separate from the cooking area on the opposite counter. Also note that we have provided for a separate RO point. Also note that the IGL meter is outside the balcony so that it doesn't take your cabinet space inside the kitchen, and we have provided a washing point in the utility balcony. Observe in every room we have provided for AC drain point and properly identified the AC outdoor location in the balcony so that whenever servicing is required, the technician doesn't need to hang down from your window, which is very risky. Notice the aluminium sliding door windows that are full height. They come with a 2-point locking system so that they are much more secure. Notice the overall level of finishes inside the apartment, which goes through multiple checks to give you the best quality without compromise. We have also created infrastructure in the project so that you can take direct power connection from NPCL, where you can have savings in comparison to single point connection. And please visit the site to see all the amenities to offer. From full-size synthetic night-lit basketball court, which can also be used for tennis, to a skating ring, which can also be used for badminton, to a swimming pool, jogging track, and open green areas to sit and enjoy the sun and breeze while the kids play. We also have an open gym, outdoor kids play areas as well as indoor kids play areas designed by Stellar Children's Museum. We have shops within our premises, a clubhouse, a gym, TT room, library, nursery school and much more. Thanks for visiting Stellar One Phase 1.